Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So yeah, I got a package from Shein. Okay, so I just want to unbox it here with you guys. So I will just show you what I got for Shein. So here we are, here we are. Okay. So they have a lot of nice things in Shein. They have the cheap one, they have the expensive one. Anyone with your hand fit buy, you buy. Okay, don't go market yourself. So this is the first one. Let me just see what's inside here. This is kind of complete up and down, but the size when I choose it can't cut too big. I choose this cloth when I still get belly. I just say go come before I go born because my due date supposed to be on the 5th of December. So I born on the 11th of of November. So I can say I'll wear am for my daughter birthday, which is on the 30th of November, so that the thing go fit cover my big and long stomach. So God have it, I don't burn now. So I will still wear a cha. I will wear a cha. Even though the cloth big past me. Even though the cloth big past me, I will still wear them. Okay, but the top is fine, a little bit big, but it's fine. I like big things. Into big things. So the cloth is fine, it's not that expensive, but they are also doing Black Friday giveaway. I mean, Black Friday discount. So after everything, they'll still give you a coupon code that you will still get some coin out of your money. So this one is for my daughter. I'm going to be 2020 that day. Okay. Mm. So we're going to wear it together on her birthday. Her main birthday clothes that I bought for her did not come with the rest of the things. So I'm going to ask for a refund for that cloth because I don't need it anymore. So this one is the oversized shoe when I buy. Sometimes share size they confuse person honestly. I don't know say this thing na 42. I would think that it's 42 other country and I wear 39 or 40. So I didn't know that I can't pick 42. And the thing I come over big for my leg like I don't even know what to say. So I will just keep it aside. This one is for co anyway. I'll just keep that shoe aside. As you can see, I just saw it now. 42. What am I going to do with 40? Not even 41. So I also buy some shoe for my daughter. It's her birthday. So guys, this shoe fine. When I see her for there, I just fall in love with the shoe. It's so beautiful, guys, and it's so warm inside, as you can see. So yeah, she will wear this one anytime she want to wear it. She can even wear it with this our complete set of birthday clothes. Oh my god. The shoe is fine, as you can see, and it's so cheap, guys. Not that expensive. Like I said before, that they do Black Friday discount. So even if it's expensive, they are going to remove some 50% or 20%, whatever percent. So I also got some artificial flower for my sitting room. There is some space that is vacant. There's some vacancy space in this sitting room that I don't like. I want to fill it up with these beautiful flowers. Okay, they are all in one like this. Stick is €5 or something. I don't know. So the next one here is their orolojo. It's a long their wash. So I got it for them just like €2, €3, €1 something. I don't even know, but it's not that expensive anyway. Just plastic rubber. If you do Christmas, you know now all those plastic wash what they buy for us that time. When they always they 6 o'clock. I been at 12 o'clock. They always they knock for that wash. So this one is it. This one have battery. You can set it. You can add battery. You can set the wash, and it will be working. So I just saw it. I just like it. I bought it for them. This one I carried dinosaur because my son loved dinosaur a lot. So now let's move on to the other one. I also get some hair packer for my Doro, my phenomenal Doro. So I will just use to pack her hair, make it beautiful for her on her birthday. She's completed 3 years this November 30. And everything, how can I buy everything? I don't buy what you want to learn. You must learn, my dear. So I also buy this alphabet board. So for her to learn ABC, ABC, even for her brother also. We use it to read together. Let's move on. So here is her bag. The clothes that I bought for her is not here. What are we going to do with this bag? So I buy her clothes that will go with this bag because the cloth is red and I need a black bag because there's also black and red on the cloth, and I bought this bag for her so she will use to take her photo shoot. Now the cloth is not here. What will I do now? Share, you people are trying me, or you people are trying me. Who asked you to separate this order? Who asked you to separate it into two people? Am I two? I'm one. Why will you separate it into two boss? Oh my god. Guys, share and try me. Oh. So I also got this shoe for my Philomena Dora. Okay, the inside is so warm. This is winter shoe, guys. The inside is so warm and it's so beautiful. I love the detail, that detail there. It's nice. I love the shoe. Guys, Shein have a lot of nice things. Just deep into the heart of Shein, you are going to see a lot of nice things, especially this season that they are doing discount. You are going to see a lot of expensive thing on a very cheap price. Okay, this is the second leg and it's so beautiful. I love the shoe. Oh my god. When I saw it, I said no, I'm going to get it from my phenomenal Doro. Okay, this is the one that she's supposed to wear with her birthday clothes that Shein now do me wayo now. People are going to return my money. I don't want again. So let's see what we have next. What do we have next? What do we have next? So I also got this shoe for my son. So I got this shoe for my son. As you can see, okay, it's beautiful and it's so light and it's sports shoe. Okay, the shoe is so light, guys. You can even run with this. My son that love to run. Whenever I'm taking them to school, like I also had to pursue them everywhere. Stop running, no. There's car coming, no. Motor is coming, no. Don't run, no. So this shoe is very light. You can run with it if you want to run. Okay, look at that. So beautiful. So now the second leg. You can see, as you can saw. As you can saw. Okay. Now. So that is that for my son. Okay. Yeah, it's a man. I don't need too much things. It's lady that need too much things. So okay, I also got this jeans on for him. I saw this jeans on jeans was like, oh my god, this is going to look good on my son. My phenomenal son. So it's good. Can wear something like something think inside. I just throw this on. Oh god, the quality is. So the jeans was ginseng and it was really ginseng. The thing called the enter my eye. I got the look for big size they go. I not see me. I see twinning with my son. I not see big size. Oh god, I can't even decide. I wish I know. Now this one for even buy for my daughter. Maybe there are two twinning. I for see fine girl. Oh buy. Now when I buy now, she had do me wayo. She had done me wayo. Mm. So the jeans is ginseng and the quality is qualifying. So now I'm just going to keep it aside. Me I still check my own. This quality is quality. Thank you for watching. Bye.